Hello students, today we are starting the next concept of chapter 4, comparing powers. There are three methods to compare powers. First is same bases, second is same exponents, and third is different bases and exponents. In the first method, when bases are same, then we will compare exponents. In this example, statement is compare 3 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 6. Here bases are same, which is 3. So we will compare their exponents. Exponents are 4 and 3. So compare 6 and exponents are 4 and 6. So compare 4 and 6. 4 is less than 6 or 6 is greater than 4. So 3 raised to power 6 is greater than 3 raised to power 4. In the second method, same exponents. When exponents are same, then we will compare their bases. In the first method, when bases are same, then we compare exponents. And in the second method, when exponents are same, then we compare their bases. In this example, compare 2 raised to power 5 and 6 raised to power 5. Here exponents are same, so we compare their bases, that is 2 and 6. 6 is greater than 2, so 6 raised to power 5 will be greater than 2 raised to power 5. In the third method, different bases and exponents. In this method, both bases and exponents are different. In this example, compare 2 raised to power 5 and 3 raised to power 3. Here bases and exponents both are different, so we will find their values. In this method, we will find out their values. 2 raised to power 5 will be equal to 32 and 3 raised to power 3 will be equal to 27. Now compare these values. 32 is greater than 27, so 2 raised to power 5 will be greater than 3 raised to power 3. In the example, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. The numbers are 5 raised to power 99, 5 raised to power 32, 5 raised to power 26, 5 raised to power 11 and 5 raised to power 45. In all numbers, base is same, which is 5. So we will compare their exponents. After the comparison of exponents, we will write them in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. In the next example, arrange the following in descending order. The numbers are given: 2 raised to power 6, 6 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 4 and 5 raised to power 5 raised to power 4. Here bases and exponents both are different in all numbers, so third method is used. In the third method, we find out the values. So find out the values of all numbers. 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 64, 6 raised to power 2 is equal to 36 and 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 81 and 5 raised to power 4 is not written here. So write 5 raised to power 4 is equal to, it will be equal to 625. So in descending order, we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. So arrange these numbers: 625, then next number will be 81, then 64 and then last number will be 36. So arrange the exponential forms into descending order: 5 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 6 and 6 raised to power 2. Now this is practice zone 1. First sum is very easy, you can easily do it. We are discussing the second sum. First part of second sum. Statement is minus 3 by 4 raised to power 2, 1 by 2 cube multiplied to minus 2 raised to power 3. Minus 3 by 4 has power 2, so write it 2 times. Then 1 by 2 has power 3, so write it 3 times. Then minus 2 has power 3, write it 3 times. And these 3 2's are in denominator and also in numerator, so cancel it out. Now count negative signs. There are 5 negative signs, so write minus 1 raised to power 5. And then multiply the numbers in numerator. There are 2 numbers, that is 3 and 3 in numerator. Other numbers are cancelled. So 3 multiply 3 is 9. And in denominator there are 4 and 4. 4 multiply 4 is 16. So write 16 in the denominator. Minus 1 has power 5 and 5 is odd number. So write negative sign. And then there is 9 by 16. So answer is minus 9 by 16. In the next example, next question, second part, statement is minus 3 raised to power 2 multiply minus 2 raised to power 3 multiply minus 4. Minus 3 has power 2, so write it 2 times. Multiply minus 2 has power 3, so write it 3 times. And then minus 4 has power 1, so write it 1 time. Now multiply all these numbers, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2 and 4. After multiplying these numbers we get 288 and there are 6 negative signs. So write minus 1 raised to power 6. And 6 is even, so answer will be in positive. So answer is 288. Thank you.